Welcome to our SST shrink sleeve machine videos. These videos will help you navigate our SST ecosystem and keep your machine running great. In this video, we'll be calibrating the printer for your specific shrink sleeves so that the printer prints in the right place and cuts the sleeve in the correct spot. First, place your sleeves on the carousel and insert the sleeves in the slot behind the printer. You will need to have the deck of the printer open to receive the labels. Before feeding the labels through, verify the sensor is lined up with the arrows. Now, feed the labels through the adjustable label clasp and through the out feed of the printer. Make sure the clear window of the sleeve is lined up with the middle of the clasp. Once that's done, go ahead and close the printer. With the printer hooked up to your laptop, turn on the printer. Wait for the ready on the printer before you proceed. On your laptop, open the GoDoc program. This program is used to calibrate your printer to the sleeves you are printing. The printer will display data receiving. Wait for the ready on the printer before you proceed. Now, in the GoDoc program, click Customize, and then select the sleeve size you'll be printing. In this case, 116 mmPR. The printer will forward a couple of sleeves to calibrate and then print on the final one. Now your printer is calibrated. If for some reason your printer will not calibrate after several attempts from the before procedure, your printer might need to be hard reset. In this case, there's a small button next to the power supply inlet. You'll want to press this for several seconds to reboot the printer. Then simply retry the calibration process. Well, that's it, and happy printing. If you haven't already, subscribe to our YouTube channel for more videos like this one. My name is Rich. Thanks for watching.